Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel, back again with another quick video. And today I wanted to just quickly test out my new helmet. This is the X-LITE X803. You guys been following the channel for a while, you know that I have the Shoei X14, which is my main helmet, but I wanted to get a secondary helmet just to switch it up and just kind of see what else is out there. So this helmet, I looked it up, I did some research. I needed something that was under the $400 range, that was light, and just looks overall was a big thing for me. I needed something with the scheme that matches what I'm doing with the bike, so decided to pick this up. Gonna test it out, let you guys know what I think. First, let's do a quick run. Come on, open up, open up, open up, open up. Come on. You guys go through this. What's the secret? What is the secret? Gotta wait for a car to come by to let me out. I hate this. Come on, open. I don't know what. Come on, stump. There we go, that worked. I guess just stumping in the spot. Alright, so we're going to jump into the details. Before we do, we're going to do a quick walk around, show Ebony. Normally I just park right on the sidewalk. Nobody really mess with you. Switch it up a little bit. So this is the X-LITE X803 carbon, fully carbon. This helmet is pretty light. I'll put the exact weight in the bottom of the video, but just looking at it, really nice looking helmet, guys. I love the scheme, how it matches with my gear, with the bike. Love the fact that it's really light. The fin right here, that clear fin, I am going to swap it out, get a smoke fin. That should be in the mail here in a little bit. But besides that, you have some ventilation on top, easy to open and close with the actual fingers, which I like. All right, vent right here, even though it's currently being hidden by the camera, but there's a vent right here on the side as well. Of course, we have exhaust on the side, on the front and the side right here. Best part about this thing is that it's really light, extremely light. So in the comments, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, just a secondary helmet. Shoei X14 is going to be my main. All right, so before we go, Ebony, all her glory. Telling you really got the wrong bike if you don't look at it every day and say, wow, this is all mine. Just admire it. If you don't have a bike or a car that you just like taking pictures of, you really got the wrong bike or car. Like, you should really enjoy looking at your vehicle. All right, Lil Vinci slip on, Black Widow full exhaust, fully dyno tuned by Rhino Motorsports. Check that video out if you haven't done so already. Let's see what it sounds like. All the cracking and popping. Love it. All right, let's get out of here. Pretty sure I shouldn't be on the sidewalk, but haven't really given me any problems before, so I'm gonna go ahead and just say that they're okay with it. So my first initial thought is that a lot of people are saying that this is noisy, and from just carbon helmets in itself, they're made for the track, they're made for speed, not really made for noise suppression. I do hear wind noise, but it's not as bad as people make it out to be. So everything's up, so any wind noise that might be coming in is amplified just because everything's open. And I am not going to close this thing. It's a middle day in Florida. I'm not closing this thing. I'm going to bleed out. It's hot. It's always hot here, so I'm going to leave it closed. So as far as just the initial sound is not too bad. I do hear wind noise, but like I said, I hear a little bit of noise, but it's not crazy. So the fit on this, I'm usually a 59 to 60 centimeters. This is a large fit, and it is snug, which it should be. And I think that over time of just wearing this helmet, I am going to see it kind of contour to my head type, big round head that I got. So I'm not worried about that. It's pretty comfortable considering that it is the first time wearing it. And it's only going to get better as time goes. So I'm not really worried about the fitment. The weight, definitely feel the weight difference between this and the Shoei. And I'll measure them side by side and let you know the weight right here on the screen. But it's almost like it's so easy to just do that. It's really light. And keep in mind that I do have my camera on here. I got microphones running. I have the all the different guards on here for the nose and breath guard on here, so that in itself adds weight. But I think the weight is pretty good, and that's what really expecting that this is a fully carbon helmet. So let me know in the comment section. I just got a new block set up as well. So this is my Osmo Action 4 switch from the GoPro. So let me know what you guys think of just what it sounds like in itself. Just making the switch just for different reasons. The GoPro had its downs mostly. So made that switch. So I did a video with the X14, just seeing what you guys think. So let me know what you think of the actual Osmo Action and the wind noise, especially when I get going. Look of this helmet versus the X14. Now looks is going to be somewhat subjective, or subjective in the nature of it. That one's a tough one because I love how the X14 looks, especially the one that I have, just the black and the gray accents. The design of it is on point. Man, that's something I'm probably gonna have to get back to you. I know that the paint scheme on this kind of is more exciting, but that's a tough one. The Shoei definitely has more features, and we're going to talk about one that this is missing here in a little bit. But the Shoei definitely have more features. It is Shoei, so you already know what you're getting. Premium, top of the line helmet, especially with the X models, X14, and I think the X15 just came out. So that one, like I said, is a tough one. I'll probably do a follow-up. Woo! like I said, the air, I can definitely feel this helmet slicing through. Like, the aerodynamics on this is crazy. Like, I can feel this less drag on my head than the Shoei. Definitely less drag than the Shoei. Like, at this speed, I feel like the Shoei have more pushback on my neck, but this almost feels like I'm not going fast at all. Crazy. One thing that this helmet's missing is it doesn't have the cutout for your comm system. So on the Shoei, for instance, there's a little hole that's filled with sponge or whatever. But on this, there's actually nothing in the shell that's fitted for comms, and it does tell you on the website that it is not compatible. But that's something I think I'm gonna have to test out, because I've seen a couple videos where they were able to put a Cena or a Cardo in there, and it worked fine just with the cutout for the padding already. So I'm curious what that will feel like, if it's going to be pressure on my ears. But I am planning to put comms in there, and we'll kind of see how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to wrap this up. I feel like this was a great buy for the price, the features. It comes with 2 visors and a pin lock, so it comes with a dark smoke and a clear visor and the pin lock, so definitely a plus. That's something I didn't have to go out and buy. But yeah, let me know if you own an X-LITE X803. Have you actually installed comms in there? Let me know how it's going. Let me know what you think of the helmet compared to some of the other brands. And we'll keep testing this helmet out, and I'll be here to answer any questions. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell.